Hello, I'm Conscious ONO, the developer of Pet Answer, the app that helps you communicate with your pets. It's been 10 days since I started keeping a doggo, and perhaps because it's gotten used to its surroundings, it's been making sounds more often lately. With dogs or cats, you might get some clues from their expressions. But when a small animal like this just squeaks without changing its expression, you can't really tell. Are they happy? Angry? Anxious? But with Pet Answer, you can directly ask why they're making those sounds. What are you trying to tell me right now? Is there something you want me to do? Are you unhappy in your cage? All you have to do is ask your question and slide. Even small animals will give you a proper reply. So, I hope you enjoy another wonderful day, connecting with your beloved pet from heart to heart. This was Conscious ONO.